Harper.
And today we will be making slime.
So let's get started with the video. Alright, so we are going to make slime and we already have shaving cream. So now it's time to get glue.
I
think we should do
get
this.
Yeah. And there we go.
Wow, one bottle.
Bye. It's what's cool about the shaving cream is that it's also scented like the ocean.
So we're gonna try and find some foam beads because it's not in the craft section.
Yeah, the foam beads are in the craft section, so I think we're gonna go over to the toy section and see if they have any like slime add-ins and stuff like that.
So we'll see you there.
Alright.
So you got this here, and in case the slime does not work out, then we got these slimes, and the colors we got.
We got pink and we got blue, and then we also got some Mono Magic,
And we're thinking that we have foam beads that my sister is running to me, and and we're hoping that we can make a birthday cake batter type of slime.
Yeah, like confetti, like this.
So I think we're done. And this is my brother's toy.
And this is her toy.
So yeah, let's get. So we're about to check out and go home and make some slime.
Same.
Alright, so we have our ingredients and now it's time to make slime. I'm super excited.
Same. So what I think I'm going to go for is sometimes like a cake batter confetti. Cake batter? Yeah, just like confetti cake slime.
And I don't really know what I'm going for.
Yeah.
I'm just going for a good slime.
Do you want to add in your glue first?
Sure.
It's kind of funny because you have a big thing of glue, a little tiny thing of condensed
We don't know where our big thing is, so.
Let me see how much you're adding in, and that's how much I'll add in. That's how much.
That would take your time.
Probably good.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we got
So I evened mine out. So now, time to add in the shaving cream.
Yep. That's a lot. I'm not going to add in a bunch of shaving cream.
Well, I love how it like pops up.
Oh, it's scented like the ocean.
Yeah.
It kind of sounds like the doctor's office. You know that soap that they like make you put in, like the foam soap?
Oh my god. So now we just mix. Okay, I like that. I have a lot of shaving.
Yeah, you did. But so did I.
Okay. So we'll be back when we are done stirring. So I added a blue food dye, and she's not.
I'm not gonna add it in because you normally cake batter is normally just white, and I'm gonna add in the foam bead, which is rainbow, and it'll act as confetti. My spoon fell in.
It's mine.
Okay, my spoon fell in, so now my spoon has slime, like glue and shaving cream on it, and then it gets on my hand.
It's real pretty. I like this color.
Yeah, I like that color too.
This is really cool. It makes a lot of noise too.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add in some foam beads into mine right now so that I'll stick better.
I think, yeah. You're so cool. Oh, I think that goes really well. Kind of looks like a big clumpy mess. I think the blue kind of goes well with the.
Yeah, it does.
Do we activate it? Like.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna add some more.
Same. I want this to be really
Never
crunchy.
having enough for me. I want this to be really crunchy. I'm not gonna get that. And here's my brother. He is very interested in my videos. No one can know he's like. So.
Okay, I think I'm ready to activate. What about you?
I think we're gonna add a little more. Oh. Okay, that's good.
I added in a bunch, so.
I really want a crunchy slime. Okay.
Same. I really want a crunchy slime and a buttery slime at the end, so.
So I think it's time to add an activator. I think mine's like wow. Alright, think it's time to add an activator.
Okay, so I have my hands to start activating now.
I think it looks really pretty, like blue and these.
Okay.
You don't want it to be like.
So I just started adding in just a little bit of activator. Now.
Hey, mine's starting picking up. I think this is gonna be good slime. Whoa, mine's really picking up with just that little drop. I don't know if you guys can see that, but. Oh, yeah. I like to stand up when I make slime, but sometimes.
Yeah, I'm standing up right now. I feel like it's getting thicker,
Me too.
but I feel like I just need to add in a little bit more.
I'm a little squish, so I'm gonna. Cheers.
Oh, my sleeves.
Comment down below what your favorite slime is.
Yeah, but favorite kind of like texture slime? I don't really know. I like butter slime, I like cloud slime, I like crunchy slime. I like a lot of slimes.
We'll be back when we're done. So we ran out of contact solutions, so now we're
Yeah, we're using baking soda. Hopefully it works. We might need to add in more shaving cream if that doesn't work.
And maybe even laundry detergent. Oh, I think mine's coming
Oh,
together.
it is good.
So,
Ooh, we're almost there.
I think mine's coming. Yeah, we both have something like my thumb got slime in the door and she
I have
has
eczema,
eczema.
so that's what my slime is looking like.
This is what my slime is.
I need to do that because I don't want to get slime on the baking soda.
I think mine's coming together real good. So these are
Ooh.
slimes.
I'm
And
gonna
I think
add in Mall Magic, and mine came together, and it's actually really stretchy and crunchy and ready.
yeah, I'm going to add a little more because,
Good slime.
yes, I love this. I'm not 100% sure if I want to add Mall Magic. I can't decide. Yes, they're very soft and stretchy.
Okay, I think I'm gonna add in my white, not my wall, my white Mall Magic.
I never made
So it
slime.
looks like, I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time, like just a tiny little bit at a time.
I don't know if I want to add Mall Magic.
It's going in. It takes a little while to knead, so I'm gonna knead.
I'm going to get it off my hands first. Hi guys. I love the slime. Like, I'm in love with it.
It's good time.
You're going to need a little more baking soda because...
Yeah. Whoa, yours is such a different texture than mine.
What?
Yours is a different texture than mine.
Really?
A lot different, yeah. Yours is like a...
Oh my. Yeah, mine's like more milkier.
Yeah, yours is like melted marshmallow. That's what it reminds me of.
I don't know what to call this slime.
Mine's gonna probably be like confetti cake batter.
Yeah.
Because that's what it reminds me of.
Maybe confetti sky. Well, I think this is it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna...
So, thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, like, subscribe, and share. Bye!